Okay, so now that we're, 7 or 8 days since the announcement last week, what have rates done since then?
So yeah, exactly what I was saying before. The Fed has actually, after they raised the rates, we actually saw interest rates on mortgages decrease to where we're at a much better level than we were last Wednesday. It's actually been great. There's been a few ups and downs, but overall we're looking great. We're much lower than where we were on Wednesday.
That's awesome. So for the person out there that might be thinking about buying a home, the Fed's raising the rates on Wednesday. It was actually kind of a good thing.
Yeah, I mean you can look
It
at
was
it
kind
that
of
way.
built in, right? Like it was built into what people were expecting, and it was
sure.
kind of Jerome Powell gave some indication that they might be slowing down or
Exactly.
tapering. Okay.
And that's what caused the rates to go down. The fact that he said that there was now some sense of inflation getting a little more under control, and that they would be tapering down on the amount of hikes they were doing. As soon as they said that, rates dropped.
Rates came down. Well, that's great. And so, in looking towards the future now, what are the next big reports or the next big meetings coming up that we should have our eyes on?
Yeah, so you're always looking for the inflation report. Like that's going to be the most important, the core CPI report. Well, I don't want to say the most important. It seems to differ. It's really strange. We used to have specific.
So you have core CPI, and then I also know like it's the jobs report,
Yep.
unemployment. Those seem to be the two big ones
Yep.
that the Feds watch very closely.
Correct. And so you're looking at these different reports, and the indications are that inflation is coming down, and that kind of anticipating what's going to happen with that and what the Fed is going to do later as time goes on is what makes mortgage rates come back down.
So as inflation comes down, as we actually see unemployment go up, that signals to the Fed that they're getting things back under control.
Correct.
And they can start lowering maybe even interest rates.
Correct. And it's not even, I mean, they look at so many factors when they're trying to figure it out. I mean, one of the things they're also looking for is not just the unemployment rates, but where those wages are. They want those wages to start coming back down.
Awesome.